Just a quick update on the tomatoes that we planted. Now, this is the soil where tomatoes are planted, and when they grew about, say, 8 inches, 10 inches tall, I put a couple of bricks around them, a couple of bricks high around them, and then I filled the area in between with the compost that I made with my chickens. What I wanted to show is this, that when you cover the plant, especially tomato plant, with the soil, it grows roots. So wherever the soil touches it, it grows roots. So you can see there's more roots coming along. So this plant will have roots in this soil, and then all the way roots up to this point level. And we're hoping that it'll fruit better. And I forgot to mention one thing. When I actually did plant these plants, I planted them quite like maybe 4 inches deep. Not just the roots in the ground, but actually most of the plant went into the ground and left just the tips out. So now what I wanted to show is here visible, that this plant is growing more roots along the way, and that would inshallah mean we'll have more fruit. So we'll keep you updated on that.